Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 1, Lesson 29. Our learning goal for today says, I can match numbers to dot cards. Okay. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take numbers and we're going to find out which dot cards show that amount. Now, in order to do that the best, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start by organizing our cards. Okay, so let's get out those dot cards, shall we? Oh, no. Who left my cards all a mess? Okay, it was probably me. Miss Art is not good at cleaning up after she's playing with something. Okay, can you help me first before we get the dot cards out? Put these in order, please, because they just look a mess. All right, so what number should we start with if we're going to be counting? Hey, yeah, let's start with 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that is much better because look at, they're so organized now in a nice neat array, and all the numbers start from 1 and go all the way to 10. I love that. Okay, we're supposed to be matching the numbers to dot cards. So before we do that, let's talk about what the dot cards look like, okay? And see if we notice any patterns or things that keep happening in the dot cards. So let's see. Let's start with 1. When I'm talking about a dot card, I just mean a card that shows the amount. So if we have 1, our dot card's going to have a picture of 1 dot. Well, that's pretty exciting, right? All right, so there's 1 dot on the dot card. Now, if we're going to go up to the next number, we would go to 2. How many dots are on that? 2. Yeah, good job. 3 is going to have 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 will have 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's stop there for a minute. What do you notice happening to the dots as we go up to the next card? What do you notice? Yeah, do you notice every time we go to a new card, we're adding 1 dot, right? We have 1 dot there. And look, we added a dot. We have 2 dots, and we added a dot. We have 3 dots, and we added a dot. So you know what? Every single time you go up a number, you add a dot to the card, right? Yeah. So if we have 5, how many dots are we going to add to that to get to 6? 1. Good job. And then if we have 6, how many of that are we going to add to get to 7? Yeah, 1 more. See, look at the dots are growing as we go up by just 1 every single time. All right, well, that is cool. Let's just double check that 10 has 10 dots. Count with me really fast, will you please? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It does. It totally does. All right, friends. Now, if you have dot cards that you could use, you could always practice matching up the numbers with the cards because it's super fun. So I'm going to show you how you can play that game, okay? Because that was our learning goal, was to match the number to the dot cards. And so here we go. We have some dot cards, but you know what I'm going to do? This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to add 1 more dot to it. So what dot card is it now, friends? Yes, it's 6. Good job. This dot card shows what number? It shows 1. Good, but I'm going to add another dot. Oh, sorry, down here. This card showed 3, and I added 1 more. So now how many do I have? 4. Perfecto. Now this one has 1 dot, as we said. I'm going to add 1 more. So how many do we see now? 2. Excellent. And then finally, this one has how many? I see a 5 group. So 5, 6, 7, 8. If I add 1 more, what does that card become? 9. Good job. Now, what do you think is really important when you're trying to match a dot card to a number card? Yeah, carefully looking at how many dots there are. I recommend counting them every single time. If you know that the top row is 5, you could say 5 and then just count on 6, 7, 8, 9. Or if you need to, you can count each one individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can do either one when you're matching dot cards. I mean, I recommend looking for that 5 group though. Just makes things a little bit easier and faster. Okay, our learning goal for today said I can match numbers to dot cards. And that's exactly what we did. We know it's important to look very carefully at the dots and then find the matching card. All right, this is your exit ticket, friend. I see the number 5, 6, 7. I'm going to add one more, and I want you to go ahead and you can either make a video telling me what number that is, or you can write it down on a dry erase board and then send me the picture. Either way, I want to know what number matches this dot card. Okay? Good luck, friends.